are back and we are entering the additives world. We are going to go to the origin of the additives. Follow me. So, welcome everyone to the Thetford Additives Laboratory. Here is where our chemists carefully develop all our Thetford additives. Here we see some familiar colors, some blue, some pink. Interesting, right? So, what happens when we have the perfect recipe of the additives? We'll discover it together. Let's go. We are here in the additives production line, but actually we are in the storage of the raw materials of the additives. Let's go inside to see the next steps of the additives. And we are inside in the additives production line. First part is mixing the ingredients. Here we have our colleague mixing the blue additives line. And then afterwards it's going to go to the bottling process. Actually, in Thetford, we produce 47,000 liters of additives on a standard production day. That's quite something, right? Let's go to the bottling part. We see here all the bottles that are ready to be in the production line. Bottles are put manually in the production. Now, we see that they are producing the aqua greens concentrated. The bottles are filled with the corresponding liquid. Afterwards, the cap is included in the bottle. Then the production day is printed. Then it's the time of the labeling. Once the bottle itself is ready, the machine grabs the corresponding number of bottles and they are put on the box. Separate step is closing this box. Then, all the boxes are carefully placed on the pallet. And as last, the forklift driver stores the pallet with a great logistic team behind. The additives, they will arrive directly to the shelves of your favorite RV stores.